What if, at the exact same moment, every human on Earth sneezed? There are over 8 billion people alive today. A single sneeze can reach speeds of 160 kilometers per hour and hit nearly 100 decibels. Now multiply that by 8 billion. In 1 second, the planet would experience a massive surge of sound and air pressure. The combined force would be strong enough to register like a small earthquake across the planet. Nearby windows would shatter. Animals would panic. All from something harmless. Because when billions act together, even the smallest moment can shake the world.